In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go offline in Steam. Sometimes you might not want to appear online to your friends while playing your favorite games, or perhaps you just need a little privacy. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through how to make yourself invisible on Steam. Let's get started. First things first, open your Steam application on your computer. You should find the Steam icon either on your desktop or in your start menu if you're using Windows, or in your applications folder if you're on a Mac. Once you've launched the app, you'll see the login screen if you aren't logged in already. Next, click on the login button to access the login page. This is where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Carefully type in your account name and password. Double check this information to avoid any login issues. It's crucial to keep your login details secure, so ensure you're entering the information on a trusted computer. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. Here, you'll see your library of games, friends, and any updates or notifications that may require your attention. Look to the top left corner of the Steam window and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and select Go Offline. Choosing this option will log you into Steam in an offline mode. Remember, being offline means you won't receive real-time updates, notifications, or messages, and these won't show to your friends either. Alternatively, there's another way to appear offline. Instead of selecting Go Offline through the Steam menu, you can customize your online status by focusing on your friends list. Click on the Friends menu at the top of the window to open a new drop-down menu. In this list, you'll have the option to choose Offline. By doing this, you're only altering how your status appears to friends, allowing you to remain connected to Steam while appearing invisible to everyone else. This method is particularly useful if you still want to access online features without letting your friends know that you're available. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can control when you appear online or offline on Steam. Make sure you choose the method that best suits your needs, whether it's complete offline mode or just modifying your friend settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Now enjoy your gaming session with the privacy you desire.